and the things of the past and the hurts and the pains that you would have suffered. And the residue is there. And it instills what is called fear. My goodness. The fear in our hearts of that same thing repeating itself is there in our minds. It's there in our hearts. The fear, hey, you know what? This thing happened before. Why can't it happen again? That's the place that the enemy takes the root in, and he grabs onto you, and he uses that fear as a point of manipulation to manipulate you, and to put even more lies and more innuendos in your head and whisper subtle things in your head, just like he did to Eve. But what I'm saying is that if you examine your heart, you might find, as I did, my Jesus, the Holy Spirit is here tonight. As I did, that there is a fear